Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najib and I speak Malay language. Today we're gonna do the similarities word between Urdu language and Malay language. And today is my friend. Please introduce yourself.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. My name is Amir Rahman. I'm from Pakistan. So today we make video. This is our first video.
Yes, sure, our first video.
YouTube channel. So please subscribe our channel and keep supporting, inshallah. So we'll start our video.
Okay, we start guys. So we move to the first word. Rahman, your first word.
Okay, I ask you just one word. My first word for you in Urdu.
In Urdu.
Hazir.
Hazir. Hazir.
Hazir.
Hazir in, I don't know, in, as I know, is the word hadir.
Yeah, Hazir.
Hadir means like attendance.
Attendance.
Yeah,
attendance.
That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Good.
Okay. And my turn.
Yeah.
The Urdu word is maksud.
Urdu word is maksud.
Maksud. So
Also, you check out Melayu maksud.
Melayu also say maksud.
Say maksud, but in English, meaning.
Yeah, meaning.
Like meanings.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, like this.
That's right.
Okay. Next word for you in Urdu, tufan.
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 It's like a taufan. So in English is a hurricane.
Yeah. Bagus. Bagus.
Okay, moving on, next word is tartib. The Malay word pronounced as tertib.
30.
Yes.
Sequence.
Yeah, just like sequence.
Sequence.
Yeah, for example, we take we make a procedure. So we need to follow is tertib.
No.
Okay.
Step by step.
Step by step. Yeah.
So guys, my next word for you in Urdu, anggur.
Anggur is simple.
Anggur, just small things.
That
Small.
Malay also use anggur. Is in English it's called grape.
Oh.
Yeah. Sama. Word is takdir. What's the Urdu word is takdir.
Takdir.
And in Malay word also pronounced as takdir.
Takdir.
Yeah.
Takdir means like destiny.
Yeah.
Fate. Your luck. Same like this.
We also in other words also from the God planning.
God planning.
From God planning. Yeah. We say inshallah and something.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Inshallah. In Pakistan also people say inshallah for our thing.
So guys, Najib.
Yes. I'm ready.
For you, next word. Il.
Does the full pronunciation is ilmu?
Ilmu, like you say like that in Bahasa Melayu.
The Bahasa Melayu
Ilmu.
pronounces ilmu. The meaning is knowledge.
Knowledge. Yeah, that's
same
great.
right. Word is wali.
Wali.
Yeah.
In Bahasa Melayu also.
Bahasa Melayu say wali.
Wali. Like in English, guardian.
Situation in Pakistan, for example.
Like any girlfather.
Grandfather.
Yeah, girlfather. And what is it in Bahasa Melayu and Malaysian culture?
That's correct. The grandfather become the guardian. For example, we need to do wedding process. Going to make approval from the daddy, from the girl dad,
like girl dad.
For the wedding
It's a
process.
wali.
That's a wali.
So guys, my next word for Najib.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Faida.
What again?
Faida.
Faida.
Yeah, faida in Urdu. Faida.
Faida. Yeah.
Normally faida.
Faida is kind of benefit or an advantage. Yeah.
Good.
It's the same. We also say not faida. We pronounce as faida. That's a Malay slang. The next word is yatim. Yatim. It's clear, right? Yatim.
Yatim.
Yeah.
In bahasa Melayu also.
Yeah, bahasa
like
Melayu
that.
also use yatim.
Yatim.
Yeah.
Like orphan.
Orphan, yes, that's
Yeah,
orphan, yes.
no mom, no dad.
Yeah,
like
no
this.
mom,
Yeah,
dad.
one just dad have, mom not. Like
Yeah.
this.
But
In bahasa Melayu.
in bahasa Melayu, we call it as yatim. Either they have no dad or no mom, but the other word is yatim piatu. Both no have no mom, no dad. That's
no.
yatim piatu.
Okay, so guys, our last word, Najib, for
Yeah,
you.
I'm ready. Don't worry.
Sabar.
Sabar. Sabar is sabar.
Sabar.
It's easy.
Sabar lah. Sabar.
Sabar lah, bro. Sabar.
Sabar,
It's meaning passion.
Passion.
Only
passion. In English.
In English,
and bahasa
passion.
Melayu also same. Huh?
Also same sabar, but in Spanish, pronounced as calma. You know the Ronaldo.
Calma. Yeah.
Ronaldo celebration. Calma. Calma.
Sabar.
That's
Sabar.
Ronaldo celebration. The common word in Hindi movie. So Rahman will ask me the word that very common in Hindi movie, and I will guess the meaning.
Yes.
So saya akan teka maksud dia lah. So Rahman akan tanya, saya akan teka maksud dia. So
Nice.
So Rahman, your first word,
Yeah, my first word for you.
the
Okay,
common word in Hindi. Yes.
Yes.
Just ask me.
He don't know what I asked. Okay, just simple. Muhabbatein.
Muhabbatin.
Yes.
This kind of is movie, right? Yeah, I saw the movie. It's
Yeah.
Muhabbatin. The Shah Rukh Khan sing.
Yeah,
Then
everyone
Muhabbatin.
sing.
Yeah, Muhabbatin. The subtitle is love.
Love.
Yeah.
That's good.
Moving on to the next word.
Next word. Pagal. You know,
Pagal.
I give you a hint.
Pagal is like maybe the madness
Yes.
or madness or crazy. Just like I saw the Hindi movie. When the person get angry, oi tum hari pagal hai. Tum hari pagal hai. Pagal nahi hota hai. Yeah.
Okay, so
Next word.
we move on next word. Nahi.
Nahi is very common. Nahi, no, I don't want. I don't want also nahi.
Yeah.
I don't want. Also same.
I don't want. I don't need.
I don't need. Also nahi.
Yeah, nahi.
Yeah. Next word.
Just next word. So difficult little bit,
Yeah.
but I hope you. Then mera, meri. Mera or meri.
I give you the dialogue, the simple
Yeah.
dialogue. Tum ho, meri pyar. Meri pyar.
Tum ho mera pyar.
Tum ho mera pyar.
Tum ho mera
Tum
pyar.
ho mera pyar.
Hmm.
I see the subtitle. You are my love.
Yeah, you are my.
Tum ho meri pyar karte ho.
Yeah. For girls.
Yeah, this.
For girls, Mary,
Mary
and
for
for boys, for Mera.
So means like Mera or Mary is mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mera for boy.
Mera for boy.
Mary
and
for girl.
girl.
So will you marry me? Okay, next word.
Okay, next word. Tum.
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 Same like tum ho.
Yes.
It's like you.
You.
Yeah.
Okay, you go.
Yes. You.
And in bahasa Melayu, you.
It's awak. So
Awak.
many. Awak, kamu,
A-W-A-K.
A-W-A-K. Awak, kamu, kau. It's tiga. Three words very
Three.
common. Awak, kamu, kau.
Kau.
Yes.
Okay, then next word. Tumhare.
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 Tumhare. It's like it's same like with tum.
Tum. But tumhare.
Tumhare.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a
You
formal,
and-
maybe formal.
Yeah. Yours.
Yours, yeah.
Yeah, yours.
For example, I say that the book is yours.
Yeah.
The
like
book
this.
is Tumhare book.
Tumhare book.
Yeah.
This is my book.
Yeah.
Okay, then
The next
next one. And last one, guys, Shukriya.
Shukriya is thank you.
Shukriya.
Shukriya Baijan.
Shukran.
Shukran in Arabic. Arabic
word,
also say shukran. Shukran jazilan.
Shukran jazilan.
But in Hindi, in Urdu, shukriya. So it's terima kasih in bahasa Melayu. Terima kasih.
So guys, my name is Amir Rahman. I'm from Pakistan. So my friend.
My name is Muhammad Najib and I'm from Malaysia. I speak Bahasa Melayu. I speak
Bahasa
Malay
Melayu.
language.
So guys, we start our YouTube channel. So Najib,
You want and please support us our YouTube video. This is our first video before this, and I will upload the next if you support us.
Inshallah.
Yes.
We need your support. You give us comments, nice comment.
Yeah.
I hope so. So we make for you new video.
Yes,
Bahasa
the new
Melayu, Urdu,
Yeah.
English.
Yeah.
So 3 language. We
We make the video, the comparison language, the culture, and everything. Just comment
Everything.
down what you want, and we try to fulfill
Inshallah.
the dream, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
Ya, syukriya Baijan, jumpa lagi. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih bos.
Okay. Okay. For today, our very first video ever, we uploaded. So if you guys enjoy, please subscribe and share. If
Then we make a new video and we start our YouTube channel and follow my friend Najib
and follow my friend Rahman,
Rahman and so if you like our video, then subscribe our channel and like and share video.
If you guys have opinion on our video is either good or bad, just comment below. I will improve in the next session. Okay guys,
Inshallah.
see you again.
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih. And we